Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So just please follow my steps and let's begin the tutorial. At the beginning we're going to need to open CapCut app here as you can see. And now from here we can click on the plus button to create a new project, or we can choose any project that we have already. So in my case I'm going to choose a previous project, which is going to be this one. And from here, to add a blur to the video, just click on the effects button over here as you can see, which was between overlay and aspect ratio. So we click on it and then choose video effects. And from here, you'll have a lot of options such as trending, opening and closing, lens, nightclub, light effect, and so on and so forth. However, we can go for a search button over here. So we're going to search for blur. So as you can see, we have multiple options for blur over here. So I'm going to choose the first one, which is up to the left corner over here, and I click on it. And then click on this button to save the effect. As you can see, the effect has been added successfully. However, if we like to add more time or duration of the effect, we can hold on the click over here and drag the effect so it can be even more timing on the video. At the end, that was all today's video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.